Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making mustard greens. You will need 2 bundles of mustard greens, 4 slices of bacon, 6 cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Using medium-high heat, bring a large pot or Dutch oven to temperature, then add your bacon. Now add your onions and cook for 2 minutes. Add your garlic and continue cooking for an additional minute. Now pour in your chicken stock, then bring your liquid to a light boil. Now add your greens. Now season with your salt, black pepper, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and vinegar, then mix until well combined. Reduce your temperature to medium-low, cover, then allow your greens to cook for 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
A soulful cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps making